around the edges of your name. Told the stars but never said a thing. Wrote it down in
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, depending the time and the country you're watching this video. Welcome to Akaliche Vlogs Kenya Vlogmas. So guys, thank you so much for joining, liking, sharing, for what you are doing by subscribing, liking, sharing and subscribing more and more guys. Share more, subscribe more, and I really appreciate. So today we are having this recipe and we're going to take this with ugali. We are going to take this with the ugali. So here I have my blended tomatoes and green capsicum there. This is the coriander, this is 2 onions, and here are 3 cubes, and then here I have fresh milk. This is fresh milk. This is soy sauce. We have my cooking oil there. I have my salt there, but any salt that you have can do. For me, I love that. And then we have the main sauce, which is the 2 tilapia fish from Lake Victoria. So I'm based in Kenya. So guys, welcome to the vlog, welcome to today's video, and let us make this recipe. This recipe is mainly based in Nyanza. It's mainly based in Nyanza. If you tour Kenya, if you visit Nyanza, or if you visit Luo, our Luo brothers and sisters, this is I think it will be among the food that you'll be eating, or it will be among the recipe on their menu for their visitors. So if you visit Kenya and then you decide to visit Kisumu, or you decide to visit the side of Lake Victoria, you're gonna have this. So I'm just going to take you step by step how you can make it at home. I'm going just to show you how you can do it at your own time, how you can do it at your own space, how you can make it for your family, how you can make it for your friends. We are in the season of hosting. We are in the season of people visiting, cousins coming over, friends sleeping over. So whenever you make this recipe, trust me, they will never forget you. They gonna never forget you. I'm the among people who love fish. I love fish from A to Z. Should I say that? I love fish guys. I love fish. I can take fish in the morning, I can take it in the afternoon, I can take it in the evening, I can take it with juice, I can take it with ugali, I can take it with vegetable, I can take it with rice. And then we have so many recipes how to make it yummy, how to cook it. We have one of the recipes is one I'm showing you here, and we have the other recipe. Just fry it the way it's already fried, and you take it with salad. And then we have the other one. You can do what, anything you wish to just make it yummy, to just make it delicious. You can make it the way you wish, or the way you know. So here there is my onions there. We're gonna let them cook for a few minutes, and then I have my capsicum there, I have my blended tomatoes there, and then we're gonna put it in, and then you mix everything very well, and then we put in our fish. And when it comes to milk, it's optional. Please don't stress yourself, because you have seen me using milk. Now you start feeling like you can't do it. You can use even water. Yes, you can cook your fish just using water. Don't stress yourself because you have seen me using milk. So after this, make sure you put on your milk, and then you put on the soy sauce you have seen there, and then later you add the sauce that you want, any spice that of your flavor. If you have the fish spice, if you have whatever that you love, can put it in to make it yummy, to make it delicious. You're good to go. And then you put the main sauce, which is the fish, and then you cover it. For this, it was already fried, that means it's already cooked. So we just give it a few minutes. We give it just a few minutes, and then your fish, it will be ready. So that's what we're going to do here, and then later we are going to make ugali. Later we're going to make ugali. So welcome my people. Keep in mind I love you, and please continue sharing, subscribing, watching my video. Please, and I will really appreciate. I will really appreciate. I don't take it for granted. And may God bless you, protect you, and guide you, and provide for you this Christmas season, this season festive. Please take care, be careful, because it's the season that so many things happens. And please let your Lord be there for you. Just follow his steps, because we need you next year. We need to see each other next year. We need to see you next year, to hear from you next year. So please continue watching the video, and make sure you subscribe.
Met you on a Tuesday, sky was turning gray, but you smiled like morning, chased the clouds away. You said, I don't know where this road might go. I said, let's find out slow. Built a life on borrowed time and late night calls. Held your hand through every rise and every fall. You, me, and forever doesn't have to shine, just has to weather the quiet days, the heavy nights, the not so perfect still feels right. No fireworks, just steady flame, no running off, just choosing to stay. You, me, much love to spare. We didn't need much to make it feel like home. You were all I've known. And now we framed our years in photographs and frames. But what I love the most still hasn't changed. Quiet days, the heavy nights, the not so perfect still feels right. No grand parade, no need to prove, just every day I choose you. You, me, and forever. Yeah, that's enough for me. Maybe we won't leave a story but I'd take a quiet lifetime over something sweet and brief. You, me, and forever. Not gold, not perfect, just getting better. The slow burn love, the peaceful fight, the way your eyes still catch the light. No need to dream of something new. Forever's waking up with you. You, me, and forever. That's all I'll ever need.
So we are almost done. We are done. We are done. We are done. We are done. And here is our fish. Hey, the aroma that is coming out of this recipe. Oh my God, it's so yummy. It's so yummy. You can even see the fish. You can see the soup. So this is wet fried fish. Yeah, because first it was fried. So it's wet fried fish. You can see how the soup looks. So you can consider this at this moment for you and your family. And whenever you visit Kenya, if you are a foreigner, you don't come from Kenya, this is the recipe. You're gonna find it in Kisumu. In Kisumu, my people from Kisumu, this is what they will give you to eat. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. See you next time.